Thursday night, the Charleston County Democratic Party unanimously rejected an election protest filed against probate judge, Democratic nominee Stephanie Ganaway Paisley, an attorney accusing her of tax fraud. News 2's Deanne Roberts joins us live in the studio to tell us how this started. Deanne?
Hey, Brendan, the attorney that filed the election protest served on Kelsey Wiley's campaign committee. That's who Ganaway Paisley defeated in the primary race for probate judge. According to a report, the attorney claimed Ganaway Paisley did not live in Charleston County, which would make her an unqualified voter. Tuesday night, the Charleston County Democratic Party says those accusations are false. Tuesday, June 12th, Stephanie Ganaway Paisley won the Democratic primary nomination for probate judge. She beat her opponent, Kelsey Wiley, by over 1,000 votes. Now, almost a week later, an attorney serving on Wiley's campaign committee filed an election protest against Ganaway Paisley, claiming she doesn't live in Charleston County. Ganaway Paisley told us Tuesday these claims are meritless.
We believe that the issues that have been raised are meritless.
Thursday night, the Charleston Democratic Party Executive Committee rejected those claims.
The result overall was that the vote was 25-0. It's pretty overwhelming, the evidence.
The evidence? These county records showing Ganaway Paisley being the primary resident for her family's North Charleston home. Attorney Dana Adkins claimed because another home in Williamsburg County was in her husband's name and was listed as another primary residence, she was committing tax fraud. I spoke to Brady Garvin, chairman of the Charleston County Democratic Party, who says the property problem was just a mistake.
There was a clerical error in having both of them listed, and so what they brought forth last night was evidence showing that Stephanie Ganaway Paisley has lived in North Charleston for well over 2 decades. She's registered to vote here. Her car is registered in Charleston County. She's worked in Charleston County.
Garvin believes Adkins knew about Ganaway Paisley's residential situation before the election.
We feel like this really was at most sort of some sour grapes about losing the election, and that's why you saw a unanimous vote to reject the protest.
The committee to elect Wiley sent us this statement about last night's hearing, quote, "The protest alleged that the opponent was not qualified for the ballot for multiple reasons. Pursuant to Title VII of South Carolina law, the campaign was representative at the hearing. However, neither the campaign nor Kelsey Wiley Esquire were parties to the protest. The Charleston County Democratic Party has now spoken through that hearing and are gatekeepers of the Democratic ballot. It was their decision to make," end quote. I reached out to Adkins, that's the woman that filed the protest, and never heard back from her. I also spoke to Ganaway Paisley's attorney today. He denied an interview, but said, quote, "This is not an issue." In studio tonight, Deanne Roberts, Count on 2.